In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. It's a straightforward process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. So let's get started and get your payment methods up to date with this popular option. First, you'll want to navigate to the Stripe website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in stripe.com. Once you're there, you should see a button labeled Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the sign in page, you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Take a moment to ensure you've entered these details correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, click the sign in button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. You might find yourself on the main overview page, which is perfectly fine. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Look for the Home option and click on it to access the main area of your dashboard. Next, it's time to dive into the settings. To do this, find the Settings button, which is usually located on the bottom left side of the screen in the dashboard menu. Give that a click and it will bring up all the settings options you have available for your Stripe account. Now, under the Product Settings category, you'll see several options. You're going to want to click on Payments. This section contains everything you need for configuring how payments are processed on your account. Once inside the payment settings, find the Payment Methods section. Here you can view and manage all the payment methods available for your customers on your Stripe account, including the one we're after today, Google Pay. Now your next task is simple. Look for the option that says Google Pay within the Payment Methods list. Depending on whether you've previously enabled it or not, it might already be in a specific state. Your goal is to make sure Google Pay is turned on. You'll likely find a toggle or a switch next to it. If it's currently off, click that toggle to activate Google Pay. Once you do this, your customers will have the option to pay using Google Pay during checkout, provided they meet the necessary criteria from Google's end as well. And there you have it, you've successfully activated Google Pay on your Stripe account. From here, you're all set to offer your customers a convenient, fast, and secure way to make payments. If you ever need to make changes or fine-tune other settings, remember that everything you need is right there in your Stripe dashboard. Thanks for joining me today, and happy transacting.